squat is one of my favorite stretches for improving flexibility in the hips, the quads, as well as the low back and even glutes. And quite frankly, it's just sitting in the bottom of a squat. So we'll just take a little bit wider than shoulder width stance. From here, send our hips back. Okay, knees stay out. And unlike a regular squat with maybe a barbell, it's okay to let your back round and just relax in the position, noticing that I'm using my elbows, pull my knees out. So you should just let yourself sort of sink to the floor. I'm feeling it in my groin, I'm feeling it in my hips, I'm feeling it in my quads, as well as my low back. So for some, when you're first starting to perform these, you probably can't hold it for more than 15, 20 seconds. Don't be afraid to stand out of it. Relax a little bit. And then go back right into it. But the more